Okay, I'm on Folly Beach. It's on the west side. It's pretty cool, like multi-dwelling type of house situation going on here. This cool backyard and all that stuff. And my friend Sara is staying here. I'm gonna check out her little pad.
Hey, welcome to the disco camper.
Let's check this thing out.
Yeah.
I like the whole little scene out here. It's great.
It was dubbed the disco camper just yesterday by my friend Sam York.
Oh, this is all you need.
It's about the size of my camper in Chapel Hill.
Yeah.
And I can have
Look
a
at
boyfriend.
Yeah.
He fits. His name is Ken Dalla.
Ken Dalla. Yeah.
Ken Dalla.
This is great, Sara.
Are you loving it right now?
I love the lights.
The beach is...
You got a full bathroom in there too, yeah.
Well, you have to wash your hands here, which is fine.
Yeah.
Because it's just a step away
Yeah.
from the master bath.
Yeah.
It's a disco bath because you got,
Can't really
party
see it,
lights.
But
Yeah.
it is a nice, that's a decent shower.
Yeah, nice
Here,
sunflower head. Here we go. Nice sunflower head. And when you go to shave your legs, I learned today you just turn off the shower and do this.
There you
and
go.
then you turn the shower back on. The ergodynamics of movement, which apparently has been the story of my life, to live in tiny spaces
Fabulous.
and be able to live where I want to live.
That's a good philosophy.
That's it.
All right.
That's it.
Rockin'.